Have you ever imagined having your own organic garden, full of fresh, healthy food, grown by yourself? With the Local Harvest Organic Gardening course, this is totally possible. Welcome to our channel. Here we bring you the best solutions to suit you. This comprehensive course has been carefully designed to teach you the art of organic gardening, right in the comfort of your own backyard. You will learn proven techniques for growing nutritious fruits, vegetables, and herbs, while maintaining a sustainable and eco-friendly garden. Discover the secrets behind soil preparation, pest control, and organic fertilization techniques. Learn how to grow your plants in a healthy and abundant way, without the use of harmful chemicals. With the seasonal planting guide, you will know exactly when and how to plant different crops throughout the year. From choosing seeds to the best times to plant, this course will provide all the information you need to maximize your harvest. In addition, you will learn about sustainable garden design, including permaculture and companion planting. Create a balanced ecosystem in your garden, where plants work together to ward off pests, improve soil fertility, and conserve water. And when it's time to harvest, you'll have the knowledge you need to harvest your food at the ideal time, ensuring maximum flavor and nutritional value. You'll also learn different preservation methods, such as canning, freezing, and dehydrating, to enjoy your homemade products all year round. And if you encounter challenges along the way, don't worry. The course addresses the most common gardening problems and provides practical solutions for dealing with plant diseases, pests, and maintaining a healthy ecosystem in your garden. It's not over yet. Subscribe, like, and share this video with friends and family who need to get better at gardening, or who need to start their own garden. Having a garden at home is a plus and helps the environment you live in, and helps the environment. And you, who love gardening, already have cards available of other products and courses about the garden. It is worth watching. Here we bring many solutions to help you, so be sure to watch these videos. Don't miss this unique opportunity to create your own organic garden and enjoy fresh, healthy food every day. Sign up now for the Local Harvest Organic Gardening course and start turning your backyard into a green oasis. Visit the official site and secure your spot today. By enrolling in the Local Harvest Organic Gardening course, you will join a community of passionate gardeners who share the same love for nature and growing healthy food. Start your journey towards self-sufficiency and a deeper connection with nature. Don't miss this unique opportunity to create your own garden.